Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do your PayPal KYC or know your customer. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to go to your uh, account. That means you need just to open up your PayPal account in the region that has the KYC, and after that, you will be prompted to complete your information. So basically, the first step would be just to add your personal and business information and some document verification. So as you can see here, you will need just to start adding your legal business name, the business registration type, that means concerning some documents, and of course the registration number for your business, the nature of business, is it a commerce, services, or whatever, and you will need just to add also some other numbers like the turnover, of course, with your currency mentioned here, and the account purpose why you are using this PayPal account. And as you can see, we need just to fill in personal information, etc. And you will need just uh, submit, continue. So once the correct information is filled, you must submit the required documents based on your account type, and basically you will get to the second step. And basically the second step will be concerning your bank information. So you will need just to add, either you can start adding your SC code, or you can just add the bank name and location. So you can add your account or bank account information. So after you add everything, you will need to simply click on link your bank. You can get them both on these choices. And after that, you will be needing to have your identity verification. For the identity verification, you can simply just picture your or your Aadhaar through the DigiLocker or by manually uploading your documents. So after that, you will proceed to connect with the live video call agent for your KYC verification, and from there you will wait just the next 2 to 3 days so you can have your KYC that will be confirmed and uh, finished. And also there are some information for business account user you will be needing, for example, to learn about or to add additional informations, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.